Hello guys, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video I told how to do and what to do about the option selling. These are the two things which I am going to educate you in the next coming videos. Friends, in this video more of share screening will be there. So I recommend you people to not to watch in the mobile. It will not be clear, you cannot catch the points. Better you please see it in laptop or in YouTube channel. If you type in YouTube channel, if you in the search section options with MALLI, it will appear, or otherwise you can see through my links also. And let me clear to you, I got many questions from many people asked me what is that you can do, how much money we can generate, what is the capital requirement. So many things are there in everyone's mind. Let me clarify you guys. You cannot make more than 4% return per month in this strategy what I am going to reveal you today. It's not at all possible. If someone says we can do 1% in a day and 5%, 10% in a month, that and all, I don't know. Because as I said in the earlier videos, consistency and safety. My focus is two keywords. Two keywords means consistency and safety. These are the two keywords I always use, and according to me, this is maximum you can do around 48% return on investment. That is amazing. Or otherwise, even the people who start with also can do 24% return on investment per month. 24% is also 3 times of a bank interest, and sitting in the home you can do this. We can definitely make money out of this safely and consistently, as I am telling repeatedly. And you can note down. If you can't catch it, you can come back to the video and you can watch again and again. Come guys, let's go to the screen. Here is the screen, sir, everybody. This is Nifty. This is say CMP 18,500. Now the Nifty trading as on day, let's say it is Nifty is trading under 18,500. What we have to do is, we have to select weekly strike price. And this has to be taken on every Wednesday. Thursday is the settlement day. Thursday will be more volatile, and the market moves in a awkward way. It goes up, all of a sudden it goes up, all of a sudden it goes down. So I insist everyone to trade on Wednesday and exit on Wednesday. Every week you should enter somewhere between 3 to 3:30 on Wednesday, and then exit again next Wednesday somewhere between 2:30 to 3. So that and the premium, what is the expectation of premium? Premium you will get around 10 rupees to 15 rupees. 10 rupees to 15 rupees premium. Every trade has to be taken on Wednesday, and next week trade has to be taken. Come, let's see what has to be done. See, this is the Nifty here, and the current market price is 18,500. So what we have to do is, we should go above. This arrow mark is showing, it is there. You will have to go for 19,000 CE. 18,500 is the current market price. You have to sell 19,000 CE and go above again by 150 points. You should buy 19,150 CE. And then come down. If you come down, you should sell 18,000 PE, and again you should come down again for another 150 points, buy at 17,850 PE. This is actually called as iron condor. I'm telling you in simplest way. Forget about iron condor and all. This is a mathematical calculation which we are coming out. So this is the trade which has to be done, and the main point is here. Both PE and CE, selling and buying premium should be same. Here I have mentioned very clearly, both PE, CE, selling and buying should be same. Maximum difference can be around 10% of the premium value. This is the maximum difference which can be. And there rise a question, when we get this premium matching, when the Nifty is trading between 10 points, 20 points, 25 points plus or minus, you will get the premium. Premium matching will be there. Or otherwise, the premium one leg, one CE or PE will be, there will be a lot of difference between PE and CE. That is not the right time to enter into the market. You should not do at any cost. Please keep in mind, PE and CE selling and buying premium should be almost same, and then around 50% of premium value difference is admissible, is okay. And it has to be done weekly trade. It is a weekly trade. It has to be done on every Wednesday. Okay, come guys, how it has to be done, and I am going to show you Opstra Define Edge. Opstra Define Edge is a wonderful software wherein we can check everything, and everything is available over here. This is free, completely free. You have to log in, giving the credentials, and see, you can, this is the spot price which is showing. Spot price is 18,534. For reference purpose, I have taken it as 18,500. This, see, what we are going to do. We are not trading in futures. We are trading in options. Please select options. Okay, that's it. You come to this arrow mark. This is an option chain. This is an option chain. See, now today is already Saturday, Sunday, and if we take 8th June, premium will not be there. So that is the reason I am selecting 15th June. 15th June, some premium we can find out. See guys, I am showing what is to be done. What we have to do, first is 19,000 CE. 19,000 CE, we have to sell 19,000, I have sold on 19,000 CE. And 19,150 we have to buy. I have come for 1950, add position. This is over. On the other side, PE side, 18,500 means you have to sell 18,000 sell. This is 18,000 sell. I have added one position, and the another one is 18,000. What? 18,000. Again, it is 18,000 means 17,850. 17,850 and 150 points means I am bought. See, all the 4 positions have been added. You should scroll like this. You please come like this. See, this is called as payoff chart. This is a wonderful, what I can say, in fact, these people are, you can trade in this through this also. It's a Pune based company. See, we have sold here 19,000 CE, we have sold here 18,000 PE, and we have bought 19,150, and we have bought 17,850. Everything is there. This is payoff chart. Probability of profit is there, it is 86%. Maximum profit 1.35. Maximum loss, you need not to bother about maximum loss, because maximum loss never occurs. We have done hedging here, no problem. Risk reward you ignore. Break even is very important. Break even, what break even says, if the Nifty is within this range, you are going to book the profit for sure. That's what it says. And then estimated margin is 43,695 is the amount required to trade this one lot. And of course, 43,000 may vary, 1 or 2,000 may vary from individual. If you go to Saroda, if you go to some other demat account, that may vary, let it be. And one is, as I said earlier, this premium and this premium should match. It should match at any cost. That means sell and P both should match. I strongly recommend in the beginning, for few, at least for 10 trades, for a week, this is a weekly settlement, for a week you should focus only on 0.6, 0.7%. What is that 0.6, 0.7%? Now see, maximum profit is 1.35. We don't want this 1.35. There is a chance of, since the market is moving at 18,500 in 1 week, there is a chance of it is crossing 19,000 or crossing 18,000. You just focus on 10 to 15 rupees a premium. Every Wednesday, 10 to 15 rupees premium you will get. And if you get 10 to 15%, then you go down in PE and CE, sell X, you go down, see that this maximum profit is around 0.6 or 0.7% or 0.8%. Don't even try to make 1% in a week in the beginning. Okay, please, 0.6, 0.7, you should tune this, because now it has not matched here. There is a mismatch here. I can't explain, I cannot show live in the screen how exactly it comes. You can change this. I'm going to change here. 19,000 CE, there is an edit option here. You can change this, anything you want. You can change your expiry date, you can change. Strike price you can change. And then CEPE you can change. See, I'm going to do, I will just show you, I will just remove this because there is a mismatch in this. I'm going to remove these two and then I will show you how it can be matched. Karke. See, this one I'm deleting, okay. Again this one I'm deleting. That means buy side I'm deleting. See, these are two important premiums for us. See, do not expect 1.23%. How you can come down here? See, you have gone for 19,000, you go for 19,100. You can change like this. 19,100, modify. See, it has come to 0.96 and here you can change it. You can go for 17,950 or 17,900 also. 17,900, modify. See, this is most ideal. We are happy with this. See, we are happy with this 0.79%. And the people who are in stock market trading, really you people know, the present market price is 18,534. Do you think by 15 June it will reach 19,000 on upper side and 17,900 on the lower side? No, it will not reach. But yeah, here I have not done the hedging. Hedging has to be done. If hedging has to be done, then again you may come down by 19,050 or 17,950 and put some hedging. But my intention is, what I am going to tell you is, strictly in the beginning, you focus only about 0.6, 0.7% per week. That is more than enough. In monthly basis, it comes to about 2.8%. Afterwards, after 8 or 10 trades or after 12 trades, after you people getting the knowledge, you can go on changing this. This is a wonderful platform wherein you can use everything. Here either there is a future chart is there, that is not immaterial for us. The Greeks is of course we need. This is all technicals. Delta, theta, gamma, their total P&L is there. Everything is there here. You should add hedging here. Hedging has to be added. Hedging has to be added means again 150 points that way, this will change. Since these two are not matching, of course these are below 10%. It's no problem, absolutely you can do. But trading this, there is a set of rules. That set of rules I am going to show you everyone now. This is the rules for option selling, which has to be followed very strictly. Develop a trading plan and stick on to it. What it means, you have to stick on to only option selling. You don't go on changing your trading style. Once you go for futures, once you go for Nifty or Bank Nifty, once you go for futures and all, don't do that. And the second point is, understand the risk and rewards of each trade. That I have shown you in Opstra Define It. Risk and reward, how it has to be adjusted, what should be done, I have explained everything. Do not be greedy. That is always applicable in all the fields. Do not take naked calls. What is do not take naked calls means, you should not, so you are not supposed to take only PEs or only CEs. You should compulsorily sell PE, CE. You should compulsorily buy PE and CE. If something comes to your mind, you feel the market will be bullish, you take one leg, PE or CE, and you are not going to take another leg. That should not be done at any cost. And then in the beginning, do not trade Bank Nifty. It is very risky. You are not supposed to do. And then do not do intraday. No intraday, at least for 6 months. It is also very risky. As I said earlier, consistency, safety will come down like anything. And the seventh point is very important. Do not pump more capital in first 3 months, though you are capable of. You might be having enough money to trade, but do not pump more than, you should trade only 1 or 2 lots in the beginning for a few, at least for 10 to 12 trades. After that only you will have to, you can add the capital and go on doing. Trade strictly 1 or 2 lots at least for 3 months. I know if you do 1 or 2 lots, only brokerage will take care of this, that money, whatever you are now going to get is eaten away by brokerage and all. But in the learning, you just ignore that. It has to be done. The learning phase, this is a must. And then I told you, aim 5% return for a week, that comes to 2% per month in the beginning. For 0.5 is not necessarily 0.5, you can do it for 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 also in per week. And discipline, dedication, commitment, conviction will lead you to success. Of course, that is always there. Keep emotions in check. That is also is a must required. If at all, if you doesn't give hedging, because hedging amount, whatever you give, you are going to lose at the settle price, whatever the settlement date will be there, on that date you are going to lose it for sure. If you do not keep hedging, the problem arises is whenever the market goes up suddenly, whenever the market goes down suddenly, you will find the heat of it. It will, the other leg, what will be, if the hedging is there, it will take care properly the plus and minus, and not much loss will be there. Without hedging is a very risky. Once I have experienced, once I took a PE and CE of 10 rupees premium, there was a huge gap up. What happened? One leg PE came to 5 rupees, CE went up to 40 rupees. See, we are option sellers, we aim at little profit, but once we have been benefited by 5 rupees on one side, whereas the other side has gone to 35, 40 rupees because of very sudden movement, sudden spike in the market. So in such cases, that hedging, whatever you do, those will take care. So hedging is a must. In the coming days, this is for weekly settlement. In the coming days, I will explain how to do the monthly settlement and all other ways of doing and all. I think I might have explained everything. I am coming out with 2 videos every week. You please subscribe and ask your friends and WhatsApp groups to subscribe and watch it. Those who are interested can really start off their trading journey through this. And if you people have any comments, you please mention it in comments box. And then finally, I am not an SEBI registered analyst. This is only for educational purpose. I don't recommend you to do the trade. Since I am telling, you can take an advice of your financial advisor before starting your trading journey. Okay guys, I will sign off today. I will come out with new videos in coming days. Thank you one and all.